Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we start the presentation, let me introduce myself. I am Melinda. You can call me May with NPM001 as a moderator group 2. We have material about financial statement. And today presentation will cover by for problem formulation. We will start with first one. What is the meaning of financial statement? Presents by Nisa Aulia. Second two. What the purpose of financial statement? Presents by Cahya Satria. And then what are the types of financial statement? Presents by Putri Aprilia. And last but not least, what are the components of financial statement? Presents by Vianda. Okay guys, let's start the material.
Hi, my name is Nisa Aulia Suarja. I would like to explain about meaning of financial statement. Financial statements are basically the result of the accounting process, can be used as you to communicate financial data or company activities to interest parties. What the meaning of financial statement? Financial report are financial record of a company over a certain period of time, which are used to describe the company performance and financial condition. Financial reports are important documents. They must be prepared accurately and correctly. And the basic element of financial statement is first is treasure, is accounting term is asset. Secondly, debt in accounting term is liabilities. Third is capital. In accounting term is equity. Four is income. In accounting term is revenue. Five is burden. In accounting term is expense. And the last, income and other load business.
Okay, next I will explain the purpose of financial statement. Number one, give information finance which can trusted about assets, obligation as well as capital a company. And give information finance with help user report finance or appraise ability a company in products. And then give that information can be trusted about change in asset net or asset reduced obligation. A company which arises from activities inner effort search from work profit. And give information other important things about change in asset and obligation a company, like information about activity financing and investment. And last, for reveal so far possible information, others related with report finance.
Hello everyone, my name is Putri Aprilia with NPM091. I want to explain you about the types or characteristic of the financial statement. The first one, characteristic of the financial statement must be relevant. What's the relevant means? Relevant means that the financial statement must contain information that can influence users' decision by helping them to evaluate past or present event and can predict the future. A relevant financial statement is a financial statement that records every business transaction during an accounting period. Second one, reliable. In order for the information in the financial statement produced to be trusted and reliable, the characteristic of the presentation of information in the financial statement are made based on applicable regulation or guidelines. In addition, financial statements are also presented in their entirety. And as we know guys that the financial statement must be free from misleading understanding and material errors, so we have to present honestly and can be verified. From that, we know that the relevant information alone is not enough because it cannot be relied on. If so, the information will be misleading and detrimental to users of the financial statement. 3. Comparable. You have to know that the next characteristic of the financial statement must also be compared with other companies. This will be useful for assessing your company. In order to be compared with other companies, the system, guidelines, and basic accounting principle used must be the same. In addition, to be comparing with other companies, the financial statement must be compared between years. To be compared between years, the presentation of company's financial statement must be presented in at least 2 periods. Okay, the last one is understandable. Financial statement must also have qualitative characteristic, namely that they can be understood. The scope of understanding in question is users in general, not only by management, but also by the public who want to know it can understand. Financial statement is said understandable if all users understand and comprehend the content or information in the financial statement. And we have to know that this calculation in this financial statement must not be arbitrary because it's very important for knowing company's performance and determining company's next steps. Thank you, everyone.
Next component of financial statement. First, profit and loss statement. This report focuses on 3 elements of financial statement, namely income, expense, profit and loss. This document is created with the aim of finding the company or business is experience profit or loss. The second is balance sheet report. The balance sheet present information about asset, liabilities, and capital in one period in a comprehensive and detailed manner. This document is also often referred to as a company financial position report. Third, report on change capital. Try to find out how much capital changes have occurred and the cause of the change, the element themselves as initial capital, withdrawal of funds from the total net profit and loss. For cash flow report, the cash flow report helps understand the company cash flow, especially cash inflow or income and cash outflow or expense. 5. Contains a more detailed explanation on the company balance sheet, profit and loss, change in a capital cash flow. This document also explains in the calculation of certain items in the financial statement and their significance to the company financial condition. And elements of financial report, there are 4 elements in a company financial statement, namely asset, liabilities, equity, and income.
Okay, after all explanation, the conclusion is marginal accounting and financial accounting play vital roles in the business world. Financial accounting communicates financial information to external stakeholders, ensuring compliance with regulation. That's everything about our presentation today. And I want to say thank you so much for attention all of you guys, especially Miss Titi who was giving opportunity to present this material financial statement. And if you guys have any question, please feel free to ask. You can write in comment below. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.